Hey, it's John Davey here, and today in this quick video, I want to just go through what a chatbot is and how you can use it in your business. So if you guys haven't heard yet, chatbots are getting bigger and bigger every single day. More and more businesses are using them. However, they're still a very new technology, and a lot of people don't know how to use them. So that's kind of what I'm going to be going through. And just so you know, a chatbot is essentially it's a way for a business to automatically message a customer or a subscriber or a prospect through a Facebook business page on their website or through any of the other channels that you can place a chatbot on. So I just want to give you a quick example into exactly what a chatbot is and what it looks like so you guys can really see rather than me just sitting here and explaining it to you. So one of the ones I'm going to show you is, let me share my screen here. And it's one of my favorite chatbots that's used by Hipmunk. And Hipmunk has a very sophisticated and advanced bot here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm on their business page right now, and I'm just going to mess around with it, and then I'll hop over to my phone and show you some other examples where you can go check them out as well. So if I just click send message here on their Facebook business page, what it does is it automatically pops up the messenger box here. And you can see I've already interacted with it before, but what I'm going to do is click on this little 3-button icon here, and that's going to pop up their menu. And so you can see right here how powerful it is. You can jump into Messenger and be able to search for flights, hotels, or even get travel advice. So one of the things that I like to do is come in here and mess around and search for flights, but I've never interacted with this feature before, so let's check out travel advice. So I go ahead and click that, and then what it's going to do is automatically send me messages based on how I interact with the bot. So you can kind of click through here and see. So it says, I need a cheap nonstop flight to Phoenix on these dates. I can search for hotels, or I want to go to a beach for Labor Day. So it gives you all these different things where you can kind of just play around, and it'll give you different information based on what you choose. So maybe you have flexible destinations. So let's go ahead and click show me. And then what it's going to say is, where would you like to fly from? So I want to say from Los Angeles. Looks like you're planning a Europe getaway from Los Angeles between these dates, and then it pops you up a trip that you can book. But you can, again, scroll through here and see what prices are for different, like if I wanted to go to the UK, for example, I just click on show best dates. And then it pops up the dates that it auto-populated for me because my dates are flexible. And now it's going and searching through its database, and it's going to pop me up some different dates that might be cheaper than what they originally showed me. So right here, it has actual flight options that I can go ahead and just click here and book right within the bot. So imagine how powerful this is. Can you imagine, like, if Hipmunk can do this for flight searches and hotel and trip searches, can you imagine how it can work for your business? Chatbots can literally be used for just about any business. But this is just one example. So I'm gonna show you something else here that will allow you to kind of see what all there is out here. And so I'm gonna hop on my phone here, and I'm gonna stop sharing, and I'm gonna share my phone screen with you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So now I have my phone popped up, and you can see I'm in Facebook Messenger here. And what I did is I clicked on the Discover tab at the bottom right-hand corner. So you can see there's games, and then there's the Discover tab, and all of these are chatbots. So they have featured bots, they have finance bots, health and fitness, and then you can go into different categories based on kind of what you're looking for. So let's go into one that I haven't done before. Let's see some of the featured bots. So we can go to see more. And so you can see they've got iHeartRadio, sneakers from Nike, Pinterest, PayPal, Shine Text. I don't know what a lot of these are, but again, you can kind of come in here and just, play around, see if you like some of these. So I'm actually going to go back here and go into a health and fitness app. Let's go ahead and click on the Healthy Bot. And then you can see you are messaging with their chatbot right now. And Healthy Bot's an AI-powered chatbot that delivers healthy living tips in the areas of fitness, nutrition, supplements, mindfulness, medication, and more. So click Get Started. And you can see, if you can see in the background, it's popping up on my Facebook Messenger too. But yeah, you can see, so I specialize in areas of fitness, nutrition, supplements, mindfulness. I also work with some of the best companies to get you amazing deals. Great, so you can get deals from them. Tap the button above for your deal, then let me know below how often you'd like to receive my tips. So you can choose, never, night only, or morning and night. So I'm just going to go ahead and say night only for now. And now it will update me anytime they have new tips. And you can see for even more health tips, so they're giving you a call to action to go follow them on Instagram. So you can, I hope you can start to see how powerful this is, that you can automate an entire sequence with your customers before they even ever talk to a customer rep, or and before they talk to you as a business owner, or before they come into your business. If you're a restaurant, you can send them deals. There's all kinds of applications that you can do with chatbots. So I hope you're starting to see that. Maybe let's look at one more in the finance industry. So let's go check out what Charlie is. So Charlie's a super smart robot that analyzes your spending to find ways you can save and avoid surprises. With Charlie, managing money is easy as sending a text. Cool. Let's get started. And some of these you'll see are a little more interactive than others, like this one. So it's engaging you with a conversation. Nice to meet you. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling really happy. So let's do that. And then great, I'm doing awesome myself. So this one's more of a conversational bot that's getting you engaged and getting you excited. I'm excited to give you peace of mind by watching over your accounts for you. Just have one question. And then it's asking you some qualifying questions, like, what do you want to do? Do you want to cut expenses, track your spending, or save money? So again, imagine if this was a financial advisor, they could do this and go through and qualify customers based on what they wanted before they ever even have a conversation with them. So let's go ahead and stop sharing my screen here. And we're back. And so I hope you're seeing how powerful chatbots can be. And now I've given you a couple examples. You can go into Facebook Messenger yourself and go check them out in the Discover tab. But overall, they're super powerful. And if you'd like to learn more, just go ahead and click the link below this video in the description. And I will see you on the other side.